and today, August the 12th, marks World Elephant Day, which was launched back in 2012 to bring attention to the urgent plight of the Asian and African elephant. Now, their numbers across the world were plummeting and their existence majorly threatened. Let's just have a look at the numbers briefly. And as of May 2019, it's estimated that 350,000 African elephants remain and just 40,000 Asian elephants are left in the world. Now, it's estimated that about 10 to 15,000 elephants are poached every year and killed by poachers. But then, on a positive note, the elephant mortality rate has improved. It stood at 10% in 2011 and then declined to 4% in 2017. And this could be because there has, in fact, been a reduction in poaching of late. But having said that, elephants are still threatened globally, and these are the main reasons. These are the solutions. Okay, here we have the threats once again. The ivory trade, habitat loss as human populations grow, human-wildlife conflict, and also poverty. These are some of the major threats. And now, of course, let's have a look at the solution, because to every problem there is a solution. One of them, ban domestic trade. And in fact, Singapore has recently said that it will ban domestic trade in elephant ivory from September 2021, so that's good news. Other solutions include protecting habitats, mitigating conflict, and laying down stronger law and enforcement. And of course, there is always something that you too can do, such as supporting elephant conservation. You can follow ethical tourism guidelines. Do not support places that exploit elephants for entertainment. You can also help protect habitat, and do not buy or sell ivory. And of course, the best thing you can do is go out and visit these incredible creatures. There are a number of places that you can travel to here in Kenya alone. They really are gentle giants and worth seeing if you haven't, or like me, if it's been a while since you've gone, since you've seen them, then do ensure that you make a trip to do so. So August 12th there, World Elephant Day.